Building a longboard. Let's see your longboard, Zach. That's pretty cool. Homemade.
Bronson's gonna be so amazed.
It's cool.
I think we need a longboard now.
Hmm?
I think we need one now.
Yeah, I know.
Go up above it.
Zach, can we see how it works up there?
Yeah.
Plywood is
What's the point of what?
where the new pavement is.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's try it,
What's the
Zach.
point of buying one when this works the exact same? It actually does. It's really nice too.
Nice. What a good idea to make yourself your own longboard. Hey?
Well,
Whose idea was it?
fine.
Cool.